I personally love the hearty chicken pot pie, which we'll try today as well.
Oh,
This
yes.
is charred broccoli with salsa rosso.
Hi guys, welcome back to Times Foodie. So today we are in the heart of Sundarnagar exploring a quiet little cafe that's been winning hearts with its fresh, soulful bakes. This is La Croûte, an artisanal bakery and bistro that brings together comfort food and European flavors. Join me as I try some of their best-selling items. So guys, I'm with the founder and chef Ipsa. So our beautiful food is here on the table, but before we dig in, let's hear about your journey.
I'm a master's in human resources. Feels like a lifetime ago. I have an experience of almost 8 to 10 years in the corporate world. Started from corporate, then moved towards food because I think this is where I belong. This is where I'm meant to be. So the brand is about 5 years old because I started this at my home in
Right,
2020.
during COVID.
Yes, during COVID. But the restaurant is exactly a year old. La Croûte in French means the crust. So 5 years ago when I started this brand at home, since I was working mostly with doing pies and quiches and tarts from home, the name made sense. It means the crust. So for us, the crust is very, very important. We are a global place. We do a lot of global cuisine. We do a lot of global flavors.
Right.
We have a lot of grills on the menu, but our forte is our pies. We want to be called a breakfast place, so we start in the morning at 8 o'clock for breakfast, and then we have an all-day dining menu that we start in the morning at 8 till 7 p.m. And then we introduce our dinner menu, which is from 7 p.m. onwards till 10:30. I personally love the hearty chicken pot pie, which we'll try today as well.
Oh, yes.
So this is something,
Excited.
yeah, this is one of our classics, and people just keep coming back for it. It has a beautiful white creamy sauce inside with chicken and some vegetables. We finish it off with this sauce, and this is one of our vegetarian favorites.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So this is
Good
the
times.
kokum lemonade.
And this is our strawberry spritz. Oh, nice.
Quite refreshing. Not a lot of places do kokum lemonade. I think I'm having this for the first time over here.
Yeah. So my our restaurant manager Lakshay, he's very passionate about drinks as well. So all of these are his recipes.
Oh.
He was hell bent. He's like, we have to do this. Let me make you try it, and he made me try it, and it was like a hit the same day. Not a very good
Thank
person to
you.
serve, but I'll try.
Thank you, thank you.
So usually we do a lot of seasonal vegetables with chicken and a white sauce that goes with it. You just have it with a bit of sauce.
Thank you.
It just melts in your mouth.
Yes.
We do our crusts really thoughtfully. It is very important that it contains the filling at the same time, doesn't become very heavy.
Right.
So you can finish the whole pot pie on your own if you're hungry, and you will not feel heavy. It is
The filling has some cream, right? The chicken.
yeah,
But it's not that heavy.
no.
Interesting. Do we move on to the next item?
Sure. Charred broccoli with salsa rosso. Salsa rosso is the sauce at the bottom on which we put this charred broccoli with some other vegetables at the bottom and then some cheese sprinkled on top of it. It's a very wholesome dish for vegetarians, and it is gluten free.
So what is the sauce made of?
This is bell pepper sauce. It's called salsa rosso. This is one dish which has been on the menu since day one.
Oh.
The restaurant, the brand is new, and I come from a corporate background. I don't have any restaurant experience, so learning the trade and then trying to grow the restaurant at the same time, it was quite challenging.
the broccoli
don't-
is really nice.
It's
Being
nice.
a non-vegetarian,
I know. But
I
you know,
like it.
yeah, sometimes you don't mind eating
it's
something.
quite crunchy, and then
Yeah.
you have that smoky flavor
Yeah.
also, so it's quite nice.
Yeah, I'm glad you
I
like
was
it.
not expecting it to be honestly being a non-vegetarian.
I'm glad you noticed the char and the smoky flavor. I'm glad, yeah. So that's the reason, you know, sometimes even a non-vegetarian who wants to eat like just maybe something simple
Right.
and something healthy and green, you can just come and order this. And
I think this is a very good starter.
yeah, it's a good starter. Yeah. It's a destination for amazing food, and it's a boutique space. It's a very cozy, comfortable
Right,
space for
right.
people to just come and have a good time, you know, with your friends, family, on a date.
I agree. So Delhi people, if you haven't visited Luck Road yet, do yourself a favor and try their amazing pies. Trust me, you wouldn't regret it. If you found this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie. See you in the next one. Bye.